Hello, my friends. Excuse me. Today, we are going to continue working with our 3D or solid shapes. Are 3D shapes fat or flat?
Flat.
We have some different answers. Are the 3D shapes the fat ones or the flat ones?
The fat one.
They're the fat ones. 3D means it's popping out at you like you went to see a 3D movie. If it's 2D, what does that mean? It means it's flat, like this piece of paper. What shape is this piece of paper? It's a rectangle. What shape is this? Is it fat or flat? It's flat. What shape is this? A square. Is it fat or flat? Okay, what about this one, Jason?
Circle.
Is it fat or flat? Is this fat? It's flat. It's so flat you can just see through it. It's so flat. So today, my friends, we are going to take our 3D shapes. So pick one 3D shape, and I want you to put it up on a table. If you guys are going to share that one, go ahead and share the globe, put it on a table, kind of near where we're at. I want you to stand up and look at your stuff like you were a bird. So try to look at it like you're flying over your 3D shape. So if I were going to look at it like I was a bird, here's my cube, I would look right over the top of it. What shape do you see when you look at the top of your shape?
A circle.
You see a circle. What do you see, Daniel?
A planet.
It's hard to get above yours, but if you were just looking at the top part of it, what shape would it be?
Circle.
A circle. What shape are you seeing, Jason? If you just look at the top of that piece of cake, what shape do you see? Just look at the top. A triangle. What about yours, Ava? If you were just to look at the top of that, what is it? A rectangle. That long square is that rectangle. Okay, now I want, class.
Yes.
Now I want everyone to bend down a little bit, and I want you to look at it straight on. Now what shape are you seeing?
A half of a circle.
Maybe a half circle. What are you seeing now, Jazz?
A whole circle.
A circle still. What are you seeing, Mr. Jason? You put it down and look at it straight across.
A triangle.
You still see a triangle? Ava, what are you seeing?
Whoa, cool.
It's that
What?
the rectangle again. So can we see the solid shape when we're looking above it
Yes.
or on the side of it?
Yes.
Can you tell it's solid?
Yes.
Everybody come over here. Look at this cube. I want everybody to duck down just like this and look at the cube straight across. Don't look at the top of it or the sides of it. Make sure your face is right in front of it. Can you see that it's a solid shape when you look at it like that?
Yes.
Okay, let's see here. Close your eyes. Okay. Can you tell if this circle or sphere, what is it? Is it solid or is it flat?
Flat.
You think it, ooh, somebody thinks it's fat. What about this one? Let's take this one. Does it kind of look the same when we put these together?
Yes.
Don't look at the top, just look at the sides. Can you tell it's solid when we're looking at the side of it?
Yeah.
We can because our brain fills in the extras, right? But when you're looking at the side of something, can you tell it's solid or could I just be holding a square?
Solid. Square.
Ooh, it's tricking your eyes, isn't it?
Square.
So now does it look like I'm just holding a flat square?
Yes. No.
It kind of does. So we actually have to look at all of the different angles before we can tell, is it a solid shape or is it a flat shape? Please stop bouncing our ball or I'll put it away. Okay, my friends, I am looking at a bunch of different stuff on our carpet. Some is flat, some is solid. How do you think we could sort these items? What does it it mean to sort things?
It means
Yes, Daniel.
like to spread them out so they don't be to each other.
Is that what sorting means? Just spread it all out?
No.
What does it to mean to sort something? We've done this a lot of times, so I'm not going to tell you the answer. What does it mean? I want to sort it out. I want the hard pieces of candy and the chewy pieces of candy. How would I sort that? I want the boys in one spot and the girls in one spot. How would I sort them out?
We'll sort this stuff.
So what does that mean, Jazz? How are we going to sort you guys?
So the boys go on that side and the girls go on that side.
Yes, it means to make two groups that are not all together. They're two separate groups. So if we were going to do that with all of these shapes, how could we sort them into two groups? What would the first group be?
This one?
Why?
Without time goes.
Why? How are we going to sort them? I'm going to give us the first idea because it's not coming. Let's try solid and flat. Can you guys sort them into solid and flat? Now there's other stuff there. There's a tissue box. There's a ball. There was a piece of cake there. Let me bring this back. How are we going to sort all of these objects? Flat and solid objects. I'm going to add two more.
Ow. No, J.C. under flat.
Some are flat and some are fat.
Like this.
What is that one?
Eraser.
Is it fat or flat?
Fat.
So where's it going to go?
Fat. This side. A circle, Miss Pepper.
You know what? I feel like it would work better if you guys work together. Put everything back together and try to work together.
Come on,
Maybe
guys.
one person say, here's where all the flat things will go.
Here's where all the flat things go.
Nice. Then somebody else say, here's where all the fat things will go.
Here are where the flat things go.
She already said flat.
Fat things go.
Put it up. Almost.
Okay. All right, my friends online. Once you have noticed the difference between your fat and flat objects, you're going to circle the pictures of your flat objects with red. You're going to color in the pictures of the solid things with green.
This is fat.
On the back side, I want you to cross out which shape in each row doesn't belong. And then I want you to explain it to a parent, a brother, a sister, a grandma, a grandpa. Why doesn't it belong? For the number one up here, I might say the circle doesn't belong because it's the only one with curves. What is your idea going to be? What about this next one down here? Which one doesn't go? Why? If your parent could just write me a little note on the side of what you said, that would be wonderful. That is going to be the Easter egg for today. Parents, please write what your child said over on the side of the paper. Okay, my friends, if you have any questions, please let me know, and we will see you next time.